estimating department here at McFarlane Manufacturing. I help with material takeoff for bidding on structural steel jobs. I also review plans and compare drawings. I learned about this opportunity through our guidance department at the high school, and our guidance counselor got me in contact with Todd Lazansky over here, and he offered me a position as a youth apprentice here. My experience at McFarlane Manufacturing has been very positive. I feel like you don't get like a work experience like this through the high school. I work with a lot of positive people, and I feel like McFarlane Manufacturing is like a family business and everybody kind of works together as a team. That's one thing I really like about it. My positive work experience here at McFarlane Manufacturing has pushed me to pursue a degree at UW Stone in construction management. I would like to thank McFarlane for this opportunity. It's been a really positive experience, and I hope to keep working here in the future.